Attention parents, pre-KG parents can go and pick your child from the dispersal corner. Only one parents kindly go and pick your child.
ದೊಗಟ ಕೇಳ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ ತಂಬಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ ಕತ್ತಲು ಕೊನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಸಾಲು ಏನದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವ ಅಲ್ಲಗಲು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ನಾನು ಕೇಳ ರಾತ್ರಿ ರಾಜನಂತೆ ಸವಾರಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅರೆ ಪರಾರಿ ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ. ಚಂದ್ರ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಒಗಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಮನೆಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ದೀಪ ಏನದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ. ಮುಗುತಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಒಗಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ತಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 100 ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಏನದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ ಜರಡಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Stories are like magic spells, aren't they? They take us to faraway lands, teach us about courage, kindness, and the power of friendship. Today, Rajat from Wonders Pre-KG will share an incredible tale of the lion and the mouse. Let's get ready for an adventure.
Seated parents.
everyone. My name is Rajat. I'm studying PKC one toys. I'm going to tell you a story. Lion and the mouse. One day, a mouse ran over a sleeping lion. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. The mouse begged, "Please leave me. I will help you one day." The lion laughed and freed the mouse. A few days later, a hunter caught the lion in the net. The lion began to yawn. The mouse heard the lion and ran to help him. It bit the net with its sharp fin and set the lion free. Parent can let that the mouse to eat. Okay, I will tell you the message. Always fear that. Thank you. Absolutely marvelous. What a story that was. And Rajat's voice was as clear as a bell. Right, Hussein?
Yes, indeed. Thank you, Rajat, and you thank for pre-KG Wonders teachers for nurturing such a talent. Your hard work truly taught your children. Yoga is a beautiful journey that connects our mind, body, and souls. It helps us grow stronger, more focused, and peaceful. Now, our young yogis are ready to take the stage for a yoga performance, and after which we have something really cool, rhythmic yoga. It's not only fun, but it's also a great way to stay fit and focused. Let's watch our friend show how it's done.
उल्टा सीधा एक समान क्या है? नयन कनक। ऐसा कौन सा फल है जिसके पेट में दाना होता है? अनार। मैं सबके पास हूँ, कोई मुझे कौन नहीं सकता है। बताओ मैं कौन हूँ? पर्चे। I am a two twins always stay together but cannot see and meet each other. What is it? Eyes.